I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Famotidine reduces stomach acid by blocking H2 receptors in the stomach lining. This effect usually begins within 30 to 60 minutes after you take a tablet. The medication commonly lasts for 8 to 12 hours per dose, which helps control symptoms through the day. Over-the-counter options include 10 mg and 20 mg tablets, while prescriptions most often use 20 mg tablets. Famotidine treats heartburn, acid reflux, and ulcers by lowering acid production. It does not neutralize existing acid like antacids, but reduces future acid release. Typical prescription dosing for adults is 20 mg once or twice daily, depending on your diagnosis. For over-the-counter relief, you may use 10 mg or 20 mg per label instructions as needed. Take famotidine with or without food and swallow tablets whole with a glass of water. Try to take doses at the same times each day for consistent control. Do not exceed 40 mg total in one day unless your healthcare provider specifically prescribes a different amount. Always follow label instructions and your prescriber's guidance precisely. Common side effects include headache, dizziness, constipation, and diarrhea for some people taking famotidine. Less common reactions include confusion, especially in elderly patients or those with severe kidney impairment. Dose adjustment is needed for people with significant kidney dysfunction, so inform your provider of kidney disease. Famotidine has few major drug interactions, but always tell clinicians about all prescription and over-the-counter medicines you use. Seek urgent care for difficulty breathing, rash, swelling, severe stomach pain, persistent vomiting, or black tarry stools immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.